Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Happy Monday, ngithini baba ekuseni savuka. Abaqala ngongibona camera nami nguJosie, I'm a storyteller, ngikhuluma istories ezenzeke real life. Ungaphathi stress on stories okuhlukumezayo because of you cannot share it to the next person. So for me, it's easier for me ukuthi ngikhuluma istory somunye umuntu ukuthi abanye abantu bakhona ngoku-advise. So if una story so troubling or experience whether sesemncane manje traumatize or traumatize akudala, you just want to share ke ubone iview abanye abantu ungangi-inbox and mina ngokhulumele sona lana, and then abantu abangifolowishayo they can give you advice. Okay, sharp. Ngibhalele usisi lana sothi sisubani ma sothi sizo-refill awushozi nabakarabana nabababulaya ke thusa, I will come running. Athi ngiyoba yini number 1 because angizange ngidlalo indoda kabuhlungu kangaka. Yena nosisi wami bangidlale bangenza isiphukuphuku. Or I was choosing teenage school C2 with my sister. So maskula C2 like umama mazangabe nabanye abantwana, unfortunately ngoba nathi C2 sakhula C2 kanjalo. Usisi wami ngidlula nga3 years. So mangidlula nga3 years usisi wami like sifunde sonke like ufunde primary mina ngalandela like everywhere la hamba khona esikolweni mina bengilandela emuva kulobona. Hayi sangene primary nami ngamlandela primary aqede athi high school nami vele ngimlandele high school. Usisi wami like bengasumuntu ukuthi ubright kulobona like ila muntu omntana la uslow like uslow ubona, so yenze ukuthi uyafail afail uthola ukuthi mina abasenza grade 11 ngamthola ka grade 11 yabona. So mangimthola ka grade 11 ngoba ukuthi yena akasafuna isikole because of she share the same class yabona, and ukuthi bambuza like bamutsha question ko classing yabona, but sonto reflect no sonto answer a question in a question na mama angakhona uyi-answer, then but hayi moratho hayi muthusha yabona, then mina ngizoyiphendula. So like ibimdina ke lento le afike endlini watshela uma ukuthi no what angithandi ukuthi ngena isikole si1 no. So mina I'm dropping out yabona. So mina I'm dropping out because of like ngifeel embarrassed, and nama teacher like you know sometimes idala ibullying bekhona kuma teacher, but like besayibona as bullying bekhona dala bekhona ibullying. Benginomunye teacher kudala masangena isikole mina like bengislender ish angaphuma story sharp. Yo sisters yabona, so uthi vele sisters vele wagcina ukuthi vele na udrop out vele asabaxuthana school. Uthi mama ke azame vele abele esikoleni ukuthi no ngicela ukuthi nibaswapha ama classes angene kwenye class cause like khona le conflict hore lena lirang yabona. Even though mama msamcelela ukuthi bazomswapha azange afune because of athangeke afunde the same grade as umntwana sikibo omncane. Sharp usisi wami ngoba yikutheka isikole kanjalo. Hayi na awushozi katsena ka matric ngise matric ngoba ukuthi ukuza abanye abo sister esikolweni, so bebazositshela ngamaLoyizi like athoka lana yabona. So and then bas encourage abathi no ngoba unyaka usaqala besenza grade 12 usaqala ninga apply like go institutions editjang ma student niyofundela uba manese yabona. Lama government institution yabona ngisho uthi our sisters vele or I ngithe form A level ke apply without thinking ukuthi bazongithatha kulobona like ngozama uthi ngigcwalisa iform hayi nyaka mazophela ngibe lucky vele ba respond ukuthi they are waiting for my matric results. If ever amateur nawa grade 11 it means ukuthi bazongithatha. Hayi sharp ngiqede vele grade 12 ngiphase kahle, hayi bangi-accepteke esikolweni ngihambe ngiyofunda lapho kufunda ube futhi uhlala lapho. Uthi awushozi khethana isikolo kifetsi uthi mangifetsa hayi vele ngiqede ngibuye vele ekhaya, mangifika vele ekhaya ngiyenze ama community service angazi babiza in after maqeda lapha yana usebenzela like a government hospital for a certain period of time yabona, community service yabona. So uthi hayi vele ngisebenze khona ngisebenze iphele ke kube ukuthi manje fanele ngizifundele umsebenzi cause lesibadlela abangi-absorb abamthathi yabona. Uthi hayi vele ngiqale ngiregister under ama agency, uthi ngiregister under ama agency kibe up and down mashoko multegare ngiphithizele vele impilo yami iphithizele. Or awushozi kibe ngayena ngizishelela ukuthi I want my own home, I want my own car, or ke batla dilo tsaka, or kibe ngayena oleng focused. Uthi vele indaba abafana ngingabi nesikhathi abafana. Uthi I benginayo boyfriend esesikhathi ngisangena isikole, but emangisikole lapha like we lost connection kwaba ukuthi nami sengiconcentrate kubophelo ngibaka. Or awushozi hayi ngibhizi ngama agency ngibhizi vele ngisebenza ngicross night things like that yabona. Uthi one time bangifonele kwesinye isibhedlele for interview uthi mangifika lapha yana vele interview by God's grace vele bangithathe ngibe permanent. Hayi sharp uthi hayi impilo vele icale vele icaca. Mina nosisi wami still we are like this. Mangithenga iskipa ngiyamthengela, mangithenga icathulo ngiyamthengela, mangithenga ini like ngiyamthengela like impilo uma asifuniseni ukuthi we need to ukuthi sizwane yabona. Mangithenga lokho vele ngiyabathengela. I don't have a problem nosisi wami naye akanankinga naye akanankinga nami. Kodwa ngithola umsebenzi opermanent ngingatshela vele ekhaya ukuthi oh angeke sahlupheka ketsa my show ngithola umsebenzi esibhedlela kubukuphi. Hayi kube the celebration ube monate man ngisebenze hayi credit score yaka irotoge ibe sharp ngi-applyele for indlu bayi approve or awusoze ngibona uphilo bahlakana ngi-applyele for imoto bayi approve or awusoze impilo vele icale vele ibe awona uthi because of ngithenge izinto ezidurayo ngesikhathi esiwani or salary lona phela utsebe hore ka mo ke supporta ko high ka mo ke na le motse ka mani to buy furniture ngapha I need to do stuff awona if imali yami ibe vele ibe incane yabona seyikuthi ngiyashota vele ukuthi ngoba izinto eziningi I want to push ukuthi into zami zime uthi ngibiyele back kuma agents mangi off ngapha mangingena iday ngapha ngale ngene ina chief awona or gobe bophelo ba ko ka phethizela agents ke gobe di lutsaka yabona. Alright, I was just one time ngibuya emsebenzini ekseni ngishayisa ekseni uthi mangiza vele ngiyuthela ipetrol uthi mangithela ipetrol ngithela ipetrol uthi kunomunye ubaba la ubhudi uyahlika uzopompa like ilithayila kolo high but so like ngihleli like steering wheel ngibeke ikhanda lami like this because ngisamela ukuthi bazongithelela ipetrol uthi anoke uwindweni or hey awusi ubatlo thula why ubatlo khana uRoberts yabona uthi hayi man I'm resting my head ngikhathele ngibuya kuna chief yabona how unese kanti yabona uthi i-communication icale lapho ke nese ubereka ku guy hayi sikhulume yabona so angikhulumise kuze lo muntu uthele i-petrol attendant izizothela i-petrol ithele icede ngibhadala athi hayi no driver save udula ku guy imfi number ya how that communicator sometimes yabona ura awusozivele ngimuphe inamba ungabe nenkingi because of akina partner akina muntu kulona uthi hayi ngimuphe inamba ubrothers ayikube ukuthi sesiyacala sa communicate sesiya WhatsApp yesiyacoca inompotsa litaba yabona sothi ubrothers uJohn uJohn angitshela ukuthi no man ngikhathile that's the reason ngize nginokhe windweni lakho ngiyakuthanda or awushozi nakutse unext namuntu yabona and litlala yo dryland bengetsang yabona so uthi hayi ngim-entertain like that ubrothers ngim-entertain ubrothers athi hayi asima offer sihlangane sikhona ubonana sihlale phansi sikhulume njengabantu abadala or awushozi gibe off vele ngimtshela ukuthi no this weekend ngidlabe get off so and bengasi off because of I wanted to see him ngize ngathi agency emanganyane ngiyakubona mona uthi hayi sihlangane noJohn sihlangane kuMolong or ahlakana kuMolong hayi sikhuhlale phansi sidle umuntu sikhulume hayi nje ukuthi uyangithanda uyangifuna yena kana mfazi usengile emsaliya hayi umthotsa Robertsile monna ko next door so kwabe ukuthi baya break up just like that and they were rumors ukuthi the wife kahle nomntwana wakhe lo behazi ngasemntwana ke ngomntwana kase next door like angicokela story sakhe life story yakhe so like since then ngahlala nge1 because being heartbroken I wanted to heal myself in dulenyana tsejwa ura mina ngimtshela ukuthi hayi mina ngibusy like anginasikhathi benganasikhathi somjolo so for now benganamuntu vele at all yabona hayi kube ukuthi mina naye vele riba together uthi hayi relationship icale kanjani uthi ubrothers ngingamtshela ukuthi mina nginendlu like ngadisclose it le part ngitshela ukuthi hayi no ngirentile ko gayi naye ngitshela hayi nakirentile ko gayi awunale nako katla konna ubona ubrothers a invite ugele or awushozi ubrothers usebenza labayenza khona amapende angaze ngisho igama labenza khona amapende ubrothers usebenza lapho so mina yinesi yabona so or awushozi ubrothers ang-invite la hlala khona I know awunale nako or awuchayisitse early ugatla utlo bona mo ke nnang ko teng bona utlo ngeketela or awushozi the fact ukuthi ngine boyfriend like insene I don't like those morning texts bo I miss you lala ngabogcoke kahle uthi hey awusoze insene ka I don't like new relationship uretsang arbentsene ka mo setse ke bona John each and every time phone ka evaporate sisikitse gore ke John uthi bengisemathandweni. I was just I don't want to lie ne ke le ko maratong. Hayi uthi asijust one day vele ngiyenze ilanga ukuthi no let me go and visit uJohn kulobona uthi vele ngiyeke uJohn or asijust angifika kaJohn like angifika kaJohn kwakhe or asijust uJohn la lesikepeni or asijust kulobona batho bawira like itafula kama box are ubele to play the goal box song or asijust ithi hlaka no enwa uthi benginganandaba naloko uthi like I was shocked mangena ne but bekisinitaba bekitile ukuthi ubona monna waka or I was just mina no John spend the whole time together kumpete ngwaskepeng or rebe or I was just otseba nthumde my creatileng uthi mina no John sibela from there lasuka sibala khona or kube ukuthi ngare wangikhulula hore expose yourself, talk about your life, expose the financial secrets how I was sure kube yimi sengiyamtshela ke ukuthi you know what le ndawo uhlala kiyo ngiyithandi I wish ngabuze kwami uJohn uthi kantona kwakho yeah I do have my own house nangihlala ngiyi-1 kwami in uthi vele ngimxoxela ke ngikhulule ngoba already setsambone ke leso lena ke mbona leso ekilobona and ngiyena la hlala khona ngakhona ubona ukuthi hayi la kunamuntu wesifazane if kunomuntu wesifazane ngeke kube so wabona or athi okay next time mangizovakasha kuzovakasha mina ke ngize kwakho or I was just no problem I relationship ichubeke like that nami ngichubeke ngokusebenza ngoChristmas like bengana sikhathi to be honest bekisinanako but the thing nesikhathi ngiyamenzela vele isikhathi sakuthi as but I was just aze kimi azovakasha kube mnandi kube umuntu ukuthi every time angishayisa baby late then uzongimela ke egarage silandelane then ngifike siye kwami every time so umuntu ovakasha kami egcineni umuntu abe ukuthi ayi mina ngifuna ukuthumela abasekithi Aw John masinga so yo akinya gore bamphamulela umsadi wena umsadi ofeleletseng yabona or I was just kube ukuthi vele amandweni bayiki vele bayangilobola uthi my mother like didn't like uJohn athi lo muntu lo like akakufanele man and ansi ku level efanayo kulobona uthi ngithi yo ma ngitho mfanyona ukasemfe yona I was just like the way like I was so protective like over uJohn ne bengeke kuze ukhulume ngayo into esinack singivume bengeke bengimthanda like uJohn bengithanda the way ngifika ngakhona the way nothando for mina and the way like andirang like ke feel like a queen kulobona so hayi uthi after vele kube ukuthi mina vele ngiba pregnant ke mangiba pregnant kube ukuthi ngithatha vele maternity leave so like kulobona like ili first time ngwana hawa amathomo and you don't know ukuthi wenzani so my mother was like you know what bisiswa kazohlala nawe azokuncedisa once uba nomntwana kulobona ungahlupheki kwi1 or iza ngapha so I was like no I cannot leave uJohn I1 so ukuthi ngize ngapha mama rather usisi wami aze ngapha ayi sisi as a decide hayi kibe pregnant kebe le ngwana sisihambele ancede ngumntwana sincedisane soyi2 sincedisane no problem I maternity leave yami iphele I was just iphela I need to go back to work or phela you know ukuthi bengibalansisa ngalama bayibiza man that is this way abasebenzayo mawubiza ama agency lo msebenzi abayenzayo yo I forgot the word abona amatoho benginceda ngalamatoho lawo ngiwayenzayo kulobona so now sengumntwana ngapha like angisengihlanganiswa wami John ukhona but salary yakhe is not much yabona so I was just kibole koMerikong but ngingasawenza amatoho ngiconcentrate emsebenzini because ngisese fragile emzimbeni uthi hayi vele ngisebenze I was choose every time mina mangishayisa uJohn already usendlini every time mangishayisa uJohn already usendlini uthi hayi ingabe nenkinga ngithola usisi wami uphekile umntwana ushapa umntwana umgezini nakufihla kawuhlapa ngibona abanangwana ngibona abana John Garobal because I'm tired yabona or I was just one time masihlepsiswa umhleli nami for over 6 months uthi one time angihleli ngithi hayi wena wayengathi upreg yabona uthi ngibuze my sister wayengathi upreg sisomatha hayi athi no wena ngathi upregnant ngiyakususpect yabona usisi wami vele ale athi hayi I'm not pregnant angithi upregnant ngiyatshela uthi mangifike emsebenzini thatha ifoni ngithi mama umbonile umntwana wakho uthi upreg ngiphi athi usisi wami upreg mama ngiyakutshela upreg yabona ilokuthi vele shosho usisister isikhathi masiya isisu sikhukhumala sisters upregnant how wena mntaze kanti uyajola nobani uzela upreg or kanjani yabona hayi kuthule vele hayi ufuna nezindaba zami phuma nezindaba zami nami nizobona sewumuntu azazokhipha amalobolo ikulobona how awusuze urikethu moyo na tabeng cause like itaba hayi assistane kube ukuthi umuntu ngithi kuye mina kuyoba nzima ukuthi ubheke umntwana ngabe pregnant rather ukhame uye ekhaya ubuyele ekhaya then mina I'll find someone ozobheka umntwana angeke ngivuma ukuthi ngihlupheke mina ngikhona umntwana sekhaya angeke ngivuma wabona what awusuze like ngibe nozwela ngithi no pregnant ngapha umntwana uyak overwork rather go back home I will find someone until wena uba right uba nomntwana ozongi-assista vele angafuni vele uhamba ngingabi nenkinga naye ngithi okay ngoba uyazithandela nokuhlala la anja pregnant abhekana nomntwana it's fine uthi kidiyele America ngibona ukuthi manje impilo isabalance phela sisters need afane ukuthi ngimncedise ngapha nangengane so let me go back to bereka amantoho or kibele kumantoho ngabona most of the time my sister and my husband yibo bazoba yi2 endlini mina leso sikhathi ngisemsebenzini uthi I didn't even think ukuthi one day bazongibetray yabo yi2 uthi azange like it click in my mind because uJohn ngiyamtrusta and ngamurata and azange ngikhome ama-sign ukuthi uthanda amantombazane or azange sibe nokuthi siba ne-conflict sibanga intombazane over the phone or anything yabona or awushozi hawu ngizele emsebenzini awusatshelelengwa ngiya lapha mangifika thola ukuthi babhukha abo amanesa yi2 ngesikhathi esi1 so mina ngithi mina I will go back here because of abafuna ukusithatha sithu ngesikhathi esi1 bebafuna umuntu we1 ubona itheater ora awushozi kyanhlungu angifike inhlungu abantu like the way bahleli ngakhona esofeni like bakhozi angifike ngivula umnyango uthi abantu bakhozi like ngibe surprised ukuthi hayi labantu laba ngathi ba too comfortable together but uthi vele ngibe snacks uthi siswami vele adle mahloni vele apha mntase ngikuphakele bese ngiphakele bese sidlile ngiphakele wabona uthi angiphakele uthi mara like kube na something eklikayo ukuthi labantu la bangaganga mara bayithula nendlini na yabona uthi lo isisu singaka ubrother uthi bile bayibahleli ngakhona ubrothers like le hetla la brothers le hetla la awuswaka nendi khulwamelana like bebaso wabona together athi the way bakhozi ngakhona like nami ngishayisa uvalo like wabona uthi yena abajampi ufuna ini ngithelele juice ngithelele coke wabona uthi ngakhona ubona ukuthi hayi mala something khona into off wabona uthi masolala ngibuza the husband kiri how kanti why like ngithole ngathi bosamelana nomntwana sekithi athi hayi ngithole mina ngithole ngihleli benena wasama like ngathi niyakhathethe hawuthi bosibabetha ke boroko it's not something like a bed besides usisi wakho ngizowenzana nosisi wakho or awushoze isikhathi sihambe ke usiswa phela upregnant leso isikhathi sihambe my sister phathe emapeni mele ukuthi ayisibhedlela uthi hayi vele ngithathe i-leave emsebenzini ngithathe i-leave because I know ukuthi umntwana wami angeke abe nomuntu ozosala naye and umthesi wami uyoba nomntwana uthi ngicela i-leave bangiphi leave how ngihambe naye isibhedlela ayoteta ngibuye naye makubeteta la ngithi ubaba umntwana ukubhoka nangafaka imali uthenga impahla umntwana because I can see ukuthi awuna chelede and dilotsa ngwana nawo direka kanti papa ngwana ukayi yabona kube ukuthi siba nale discussion athi hayi macela ukuphuma indabeni zami yabona ngicela ukuphuma bangafuna ukunceda hlala ke ngizotshela uma angincede or awushoza I feel guilty because I always help her yabona uthi hayi awushozi kisana problem ngithathe vele ikhathi ngihambe ngiyomthengela izimpahla umntwana wakhe ngimdobhadobhele because umntwana wakhe beka intombazane wami bekamfana so besicabanga ukuthi sizoshare izinto zabantwana so wathola ukuthi ama-gender sakafana uthi hawu ngihambe ngiyomthengela ngimdobhadobhele yabona izinto ngibuye nazo endlini hawu ngimbuza uJohn ngithi kanti John emini makhona la or ma off kukhona umuntu ovanezela like windoda la isingathuba balomntwana because iswami akafuna ukusho ukuthi baba umntwana ubani and lo baba umntwana ngathi ngana umntwana next yabona uthi uJonath ayi nangifuna ukungena indaba engazazi ungangifaka indabeni engazazi vele uthi vele aphume vele kamareni azihambele asuke vele kimi or awushozi like kube na something ethi hayi lapha bayi2 there is something abayenza behind my back but kube na this feeling ukuthi hayi man uJohn indoda yami nyamazi ihleli nayo isikhathi azange angiphirizeni uthi ngimdoubt hayi awushozi uthi elinye lamalanga ngi-off vele ngisendlini so mangi-off ngihleli phansi dining room nomntwana yena uhleli sofeni umunyisa umntwana so ngithi ngithi you know what siswami I think ukuthi manje like isibela nzima indaba ukuthi ukhona la nomntwana nami nginomntwana omncane like is it possible for you ukuthi ungabuyela ekhaya and then mina ngifune inini ungayicali into oyicala ungayicali ngiright mina la ngiright ngikhulisela abantwana kahle angifuni ukuthi umntwana akho azohlupheka ashaya abantu ngoba uyabona ukuthi umntwana akho uyazidefela uthi umntwana wami leso sikhathi bekase level ana ana-1 aselevele acala ukuhamba bona uthi angifuni ukuthi umntwana akho azoshaya umuntu azomhlukumeza mina ngikhona awusohamba no ngizokubhekela bona umntwana akho la mntwana ngizobheka boyithu anginankinga so ngasola ukuthi ufuna ucasha umuntu mina ngikhona ngizokubhekela abantwana bona uthi okay like sengifila somehow ukuthi lo muntu lo soyalela lana akasafuna uhamba and like arisana le privacy nalomona wakho bona uthi uJohn makashayisa ngimtshela ukuthi hayi man like is it right ukuthi somahlala la every day I feel ukuthi ngathi overstayile ye manje like she needs to go back home uJohn athi hayi umisa kuphi wayefuna ukuthi ahambe lo muntu lo kuze umuntu usibhekele umntwana kahle wayemxosha uthi ona awufeel uncomfortable ukuthi kwakho kunomuntu like 24/7 akukhona he utsamaye kale bona how abona uthi hayi yekela usisi wakho kanti wayefuna uhambisa usisi wakho Or awushozi le ndaba ingangilalisi uthi ngitshela umama ngithi hayi man yazi mama umntwana wakho yazi the way comfortable ngakhona kwami angisafeel comfortable nami ngithi ngiyamtshela ukuthi abuye ekhaya kafuni uthi ubheke umntwana so I'm thinking ukuthi ngithathele umntwana ngimlethe lapho ngibalethe bonke nomntwana wami ngibone ukuthi kuzoba ne reason ukuthi ahalelela na kwami na yabona uthi umama athi hey plus unendoda mina indaba yini ukuthi ngizosolo ngihlala nolo lapha yang stress unendoda like umuntu onendoda kahleli nomuntu ontombazana full time yabona uthi hayi after mangishayisa ngendlini uthi ngimtshele ngithi mara ngicabanga ukuthi ngithathe lo mntwana ngihambise nonke like maybe novakasha maybe for 2 weeks or 3 weeks ngizophinda nginilanda uthi siswama ngafuni athi wayefuna ukungixosha okay angixosha phela bafuna ungixosha isho straight uthi angixosha ngihambe vele la kwakho because you busy ukhuluma ngamaneni ubusy ukhuluma ngani manje uthi uhambisa umntwana usivakashisa kuma for 3 weeks for ini yabona uthi kube umuntu ukuthi manje akasabahla hore atsamaye like amona hore like she's fighting ukuthi ahlale kwami uyabona or awushozi ngidlulise vele indaba uthi emsebenzini ngitshele like one of my colleagues nithi hayi man nginenkinga endleni usiswami ngimbizile imanje akasafuna uhamba kwenzakalani uthi ngimchase nalade ngimthole asamile kale hedla komonini wakho uthi ukholi kwami ngitshele straight ari wena usisi wakho ujola nendoda yakho angayifihli athi ngithi usisi wakho ujola nendoda yakho uthi ngithi hayi wena unama athi ngithi usisi wakho nendoda yakho bayajola ngisho lo longwane kongwana monna hawo or awushozi kisabelieve dulisa mbotang zona but like ube na something intshela ukuthi it might happen ukuthi vele labantu bayagangama bayithu uthi ugel athi batshela ukuthi emsebenzini ungena night shift ubuye ebusuku ngabo 1 ubone ukuthi bazabalele bayithu endlini na eroomini le1 or awushozi ngitsamaye one time kuba I camera ko like bangibizile for call out stuff so ngiyenza inight ngizobuya ekseni uthi hayi vele ngipaka izinto zami ngipaka isikhaftini sesihambela ngincedisa ukupaka isikhaftini angipakise uthi ngihambe uthi mangihamba ngiyohlala kale colleague le uhlala kiyo until midnight uthi ngihlale yena nendoda yakhe vele bangidrive bangikhaphe escort vele bangidrive ngize ngifike endlini mangifike endlini imoto ngangeni ngayo endlini bona bame ngaphandle bagada imoto ngangeni ngayo like ngisabatame like ngishiye a house away from our home ngiwalk ngene vele endlini or ke nyonyobe ke bule eminyaka or awushozi ngibuza or awushozi mangicela ungena ngisdirect ekamareni lethu or ngithola abantu balele Fetela abantwana balethi kufathi bana babandlela phansi kamareni lethu bona balile boyithu komubhedo or ngethize mangithi claps ngikhanyisa light awushozi like boyithu like baba so shocked ukuthi ngikhona endlini I was like mntana sekhaya what are you doing with my husband John uyitsanga ngona ko high mntana sekhaya was like ngizoyenza yonke into yakho sayishare musa ngisho yonke into yakho nesayishare so is it a problem if mina like ngidecide ukuthi let's share the husband musa ngaslobola soyithusisa or awushozi for the fact or azange abona into wrong ayetsanga ari yonke into yami sayishare so bayangabona inkinga ukuthi mina ashare umyeni wami efuthi this husband promised her ukuthi uzomlobola ashathe sithusi ngabantwana bomuntu one bona kasabona uhandetsi or I was like I didn't even believe it or uJohn angitshela athi mara baby phela kufanele ucabanga ukuthi uhlala ungekho so lo muntu uhlala khona la endlini 24/7 so nana kuloyetsa zonke mona kinalthi temptations lena gripile ki tempte or I was for the fact ukuthi lo muntu lo I trusted him even if beyakhona lawo my thoughts enhlizweni yami or like bengimthemba or I was angitshela ukuthi yena like he felt ukuthi it will be fine if ever yena ngathi ufuna isithembu mara ufuna isithembu sakasiswami because like ribana abamotho one is not like uthethe umuntu wangaphandle so nabaxa ukuthi singaphila kahle or awushozi ngibabuze kahle ukuthi lo mntwana umntwana kabani kuthi tu eroomini ke ngwana o ke ngwana wa mang kuthule kuthi tu bangangiphenduli ngithi okay anifuna ukungiphendula ngizomthatha amadeni umntwana ngangibona ukuthi umntwana wani John asho wathi umntwana awushozi or ke sabahwa tshatileyo ke sabahwa tshatileyo angeke ngisaphinde ngife uthi ngaphuma I went back to my colleague nomyeni wakhe ngabatshela ngathi wathi ngicela nifonele amaphoyisa because into ezoyenzakala kuzophuma isidumbu ngicela nifone uthi indoda ka colleague yami yahlika yakhuluma no John uthi ngamtshela ngathi ngicela ukuthi umtshele ukuthi apake izinto zakhe aphume emzini wami apake everything high atsoma umzini wakhe John was like lena ke mutsi waka nalo na ringetsi so akunala ngiyakhona uri awushozi angangitshela ukuthi mina ngahlala nomuntu engasamthanda endlini yami sasa decided to sell the house because of akasamadla and abatlotsamaya or like the option I had ukuthi ngithengise lendlu lena must divorce because of lo muntu bengafuna uhamba my sister went back home wahlala nomama mekithi unomntwana no John there is nothing I can do ukuthi bahlukane because of banale ngwana mina no John sahlukana but ahlala kwami because he said lena ke hayi mola nalena ringithi I or awushozi ngaze ngaluza indlu yangizwa ngaluza indlu because of the guy didn't want to leave my house angafuni arendlolena ke hayi yena unyithi or awushozi today anginamuntu especially umuntu onganalutho akemubakhe because I know with these people they will use you babona ukuthi usebenza kaGovernment babona ukuthi unendlu independent uzimele or awushozi I've lost the house ngaluza nale finisher because bekusahlele kusayibatla ka I don't care if uJohn uyayithatha kamera ayithathe ngaqalisa kabusha so mo kile nkotenki mo mina nosisi wami asizazwana inhlobo because of we share the same man sashera the same man manje sinobabo sinote baby day one ugel nosisi wami bona they continued bajola but into yabazange last day because of financial assistant besale sahlale seteng because of him mina bengi financial assistant yabo mimi bengibhadala ibond bengibreaka metlhase ke nna bele ke booster ka grocery ke nna ne ke dra everything ngimthengele izimpahla zomthwana ngithengele na izimpahla bona the only thing bebayenza mo boyithu gore ba robalana baje dijo tse direkileng ke nna fela so after mina masihlukana no John nama bajola nyana isikhathi esincane bahlukana. Unfortunately now I'm not assisting my sister siswa makasebenzi wa sister Ismalika sasakama akisadikeni ur asozina monna onrutile ur monna ska motshepa and monna ska mkinya kopotleng and monna mo monne usaba pop the builder what I mean I'll pay for everything when I patelo go ncane off die otane ke le monna ko lapengela plela pati ke sabone gore ke supporta monna isef ke supporta ngwana ke sabone on top of that monna o atsamaya robalele auswaka a hitse ngwana le auswaka then ajike athena ngeskibo bokungali ukuthi angalobola my sister sibe sithembini sabantwana bomuntu one. Bye bye guys.